Okay, we got a good start on the bigger piece. This is the back of it. So I'm putting the boards tight in back, but in the front, it's more like a board and batten design. And to get these even, I'm using different strips to make sure I'm even. Trying to keep the holes in line. I need to remember to drill both sides for the next board, otherwise I have to pull this over to do it. So it's much easier to drill it before I put the first one on. Also, put a 45 on the first one. Now this is the back, could be the front, but it's the back. And we'll see why later. Okay, I'm going to call it quits for now. We need to build this out to about 26 inches. And then do the other side, and then do the back, and then connect everything. It's going to be a heavy... I'm probably not going to connect. I'm going to do each panel separate and put them together later on site. Okay, let's call it a day.